My new team name is Tamiflu. I'm working on modeling the hemagglutinin protein, specifically the fusion peptide of the hemagglutinin protein. We're modeling how it would react with the force being applied to it.
As of right now, well, first we had trouble creating water spheres around our proteins because that's how they usually are in the environment. And we're having a little bit of trouble making our animations because we don't have the correct software yet.
I picked this project because I'm interested in biology, and that's probably what I'm going to do. Like, all of us bring different qualities to this project. Like, Kevin's been researching, Saptarshi loves programming, Maya loves programming. I also love programming, and I took a lot of biology during the summer and during class. So I really am into bird flu, and it really affects all of us.
Well, basically we're trying to simulate how the protein, the fusion peptide, how it interacts with the membrane of a cell. We use a water sphere because in biologic systems, things are usually surrounded by water.
The original project, with the data we collected, we were initially just simulating how the protein interacts with the membrane with a specific force being applied to one end of it so it can enter the cell via the salt bridge and by endocytosis. Yet, since we got done early, we were actually working on an extra modeling of how the virus particle, how the fusion peptide is similar of that to the 1918 Spanish flu. And we want to see how the fusion peptide reacts with the bond, or how the fusion peptide reacts with the membrane within the two different systems to see what is bird flu's a likeness to the hemagglutinin peptide of the 1918 Spanish flu, which caused 50 million deaths.
I applied to the Summer Institute. It was what I had heard about it last year while doing another program here at OSU on robotics. And I just thought that learning programming here would be a great experience because it is the supercomputer center.
I applied because I heard other people who did very well in it, and like it's a really prestigious chance to be able to work on, like he said, one of the most rare supercomputers since there's only a few on Earth. So it would be a really prestigious chance, and it would expand all our knowledge.
With our simulations, they've been running fine, but now we're trying to make animations for the presentation, and the software isn't quite working out.
One challenge right now is that I'm currently working on trying to fit the fusion peptide into the lipid bilayer so that we can simulate it being pulled. Yet with the software that we're using, VMD, it's kind of hard because there's so many different angles that you can't account for specifically on that software. So that's what I'm doing right now. We're working on that, and after that, it's like basically writing and changing up the batch script so that it will be sent to the supercomputer properly. And that might be a little bit of a problem because it was yesterday. So.